Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we are continuing our tour of the construction on the Southern Coastal Highway. We are in the Grand Span area of St. Thomas, and this is the construction that's going on with the Southern Coastal Highway. So this section of the highway runs from Harborview to the Yalos. More specifically, from the Harborview Bridge to the Yalos Bridge. Now let's just take a quick tour of the route the highway is taking so you can understand where we are. Okay, so from the Harborview Bridge to 11 miles in Bull Bay, you have one section of the highway that runs along the existing road. That's under construction. Then from 11 miles to Grand Span, or the Sun Coast Adventure Park, you have another section of the highway that's being built from scratch. So when you come out at the Sun Coast Adventure Park now, the route of the highway rejoins the existing road. So that is where we are now. When you come out at the Sun Coast Adventure Park, from the Sun Coast Adventure Park back to Grand Span, and then from Grand Span back to the Harborview Bridge. So the section from along the main road, or the original existing road from the Sun Coast Adventure Park to Grand Span, this is the section we are on now. So where we're driving used to be the main road, but this is the highway section of the road now. As you can see, very nice. Look at that view ahead. I mean, this highway is going to have the most scenic view in Jamaica when finished. The north-south highway has a very nice view, but nothing compared to this one. Alright, so this road is going to be 4 lanes when finished. On the left, you can see them working on the other 2 lanes. It's going to be a dual carriageway, 4 lanes. You see the concrete barricade in the middle. But for now, because it's still under construction, only 2 lanes are being used, 1 in either direction. But when finished, it's going to be 4 lanes. There you can see the construction on the left. Alright, so straight ahead now, you're going to see construction where you have that dirt blocking off those lanes. That is where the highway from 11 miles over to the Sun Coast Adventure Park will merge back with this road that we're on. Section is not completed yet, so that's it there. That's where the highway will merge. That's the Sun Coast Adventure Park on the left. And on the left here now is where the highway, the section from 11 miles to the Sun Coast Adventure Park will come out. So this is it. This section has a lot of work left. And we have videos up of driving along the entire route. You can check that out. Alright, so we're going to turn back around here and continue towards the Yalos Bridge. So when coming from Kingston and the highway is finished, we will just go straight across because it runs in a straight line and you can see the highway down there. But for now we have to go this way because it's under construction. There you can see it straight. Well, no, you can't see it. Alright, so let's continue. We have a lot of videos up of the different sections of the highway that's being built because it's being built in phases or sections. And this is section 1A that runs from the Harborview Bridge where the highway starts to the Yalos Bridge. Section 1B will be from the Yalos Bridge to Morant Bay, and then you have different sections all the way back to Port Antonio. As you can see, this is a very nice road. We're very impressed. I mean, when you think of what the road looked like before, oh my God. This is what you call progress, and you have to give the government credit. Maybe, I'm not sure which one designed this road, which one started it, but this is the kind of vision and you need for Jamaica, to have this kind of road network. And this road, this Southern Coastal Highway runs from the city of Kingston to Port Antonio. That's the Southern Coastal Highway. But in Port Antonio, it's going to merge with a Northern Coastal Highway, which is already built, and there are plans to expand it from Port Antonio all the way back to Negril. So can you imagine, you can drive from Kingston to Negril on this kind of highway quality road. But it doesn't stop there, because there are plans, or part 2 of the Southern Coastal Highway project is going to build a highway from Negril all the way back to Mandeville. A highway right through Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth, back to Manchester. And in Mandeville, or at Williamsfield, in Manchester, the Southern Coastal Highway is going to merge with Highway 2000 that will take you back from Manchester all the way back to Kingston. So the entire island is going to be connected with a highway running along the coast. And that will be a major accomplishment for Jamaica. The economic benefits of having such a road network. However, this highway, as you can see, is under construction. The Northern Coastal Highway is built, but it's 2 lanes, and it's going to be expanded to 4 lanes in some sections. And then the highway from Negril to Mandeville has not broken ground yet. I don't think the roadway has even been identified, but it will be done one day, and we just have to give it time. The highway from Mandeville to Maypen is under construction, and it should finish within the next couple weeks or months. And the highway from Maypen to Kingston is already built. So Jamaica is well on its way to having a first world highway network system. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.